Here's my Lego Technic Hummer H2. It has working steering using a power function servo motor. There are many opening parts, such as the hood, which opens the wrong way, unfortunately, 4 doors, spare tire holder, and a tailgate. There are also motorized drives using 2 power function XL motors. Working V8 piston engine under the hood. Working winch. If you open the hood, you can slide this here, disconnecting the winch from the motor, so you can pull it out nice and easy. Then re-engage it, and then use the power function of the large motor here to reel in the winch. And if I hold it, it will pull the vehicle forward, at least until the backlash from the drivetrain catches up and it starts trying to back out the motors and all that. There's also an adjustable rear suspension. Right now it's down, now it's up, down, up, down, up. There's not much difference really. There's full suspension in the front, independent double wishbone with torsion bars and rubber bands. In the rear, a live axle with hard shocks. A lot less travel. They have a fairly simple interior as well, with 5 seats, very wide central console, gear shift lever, speed indicator, and non-working steering, and a glove box. The vehicle has 4 drive modes: 2-wheel drive low, 2-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive low, 4-wheel drive low with all differentials locked. So right now it's in just rear-wheel drive high. So you can see this clutch here is disconnected, so the front wheels are just free to do whatever. And the central differential is locked to keep it from sending all power to the front wheels. And the transfer case here is in high, and no differentials are locked. So at that, the elastic should pop that back in. It's now unlocked because it's going into 4-wheel drive.